Joni from One Dish Kitchen, and today I'm going to make for you a wonderful recipe. It's Twice Baked Eggplant. It's so easy to make and it comes together so quickly. I think you're going to love it. Heat the oven to 375 degrees. Cut the stem off the eggplant and cut it in half lengthwise. Drizzle with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt and black pepper. And place the cut side up on a baking sheet and bake it for 15 minutes. Remove the eggplant from the oven to cool. Next, reduce the oven to 350 degrees. When the eggplant is cool enough to handle, scoop the eggplant out of the shells, taking care not to damage the skin. Cut the eggplant into cubes and set it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and garlic and cook until soft for about 3 minutes. Add the eggplant to the pan and cook it for 5 minutes and set it aside. And in a large bowl mix together oregano, basil, salt, pepper, cheddar cheese, parmesan cheese, and egg. And spoon the eggplant mixture into the eggplant shells. Transfer it to a lightly buttered baking dish and bake for 40 minutes.